A very good morning. How are you all? Fine? Great. Even I'm fine, thank you. So class, what is something new and special today? Can you tell me? Yes, we are meeting after 3 days holidays. Saturday, Sunday and yesterday was Monday. Again, it was your holiday. So what you all did yesterday? Why it was a holiday yesterday? Can anyone tell me? Which festival we celebrated? Yes, we celebrated Guru Purab. Yes, it was Guru Purab yesterday. And what we all did? We went to Gurudwaras, we did prayers, and you all must have enjoyed the yummy Kada Prasad and Langar also. Is that so? Wow, even I did that and I really enjoyed it. So now class, it's time to begin with our today's classes. Now, there's something special in the date also. Can you notice that change? What is the change in the date? Yes class, after first. So today is first. हमारी आज कौन सी डेट है? फर्स्ट है. But first के बाद there is a change in this number. Previously we were writing 11. So which month was going on? November month चल रहा था. Now we have started writing 12 here. Why is that so? Because from today we are going to be, we have already we have begun a new month, that is December month, and this December month is the last month of the year. Clear? So this is the last month of the year that has started today. You remember 12 months in a year? Which are those? So let's start from the first month. Then you will be able to recollect that this is the 12th month. So what is the name of this month? Let's recollect it from the first month of the year. So the first month is January, February, March, very good, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. After these 10 we have the 11th month is November, and the 12th month after November, today we have started December. Yes, so the last month of the year, and you know what will happen after this month ends? We will be entering in the new year, एक नया साल, with lot of good news, with lot of positivity, है ना? मजा आने वाला है ना? Okay, so class, let's revise. Today is 1st December. Now we will say the date, 1st December 2020, and the day is Tuesday. So what is the day today? Tuesday. Now, I have something interesting for you today in the class. First, I would like to show you few pictures and you have to identify those pictures. Clear? So, can you tell me who is this? Yes, who is it? ये कौन है? Come on fast, tell me who is this? It's a picture of an, yes fast, it's a picture of an owl. Yes, owl. Ullu. U say ullu, you remember that? And in English we call it owl. Now, if you remember when I was teaching you about the night animals, EVS, let's connect it. ये आपको पहले से बताया हुआ मैम ने. So in EVS we have learnt about this owl. तो मैम ने आपको एक स्पेशल चीज बताई थी owl के बारे में. What is that? That these animals, yes, come up with your answers. These animals, they sleep during the daytime and they can see at night. Clear? So these are reverse, ये उल्टा है. जैसे हम लोगों को नाइट में थोड़ा कम दिखता है, बिना लाइट के हम नहीं देख पाते, but these animals they cannot see during the day. तो क्या होता है? डे टाइम पे they sit on the branch and they keep on sleeping. वो सोते रहते हैं. But as the night comes, there comes the stars and the moon in the sky, इनको एकदम से इतना clear दिखता है and they keep on seeing here and there and everywhere. Yes. So you remember we did it in EVS? Okay. Now tell me one thing. So we learned about this bird in EVS, but this is an English class. So how we are able to connect this owl with English? Can you tell me that? Bird के बारे में तो हमने EVS में पढ़ा था, but what this owl is doing in your English class? What are we going to do with this owl in English? Okay, fine. Let me give you one more example. Now, can you tell me? Wow, a very intelligent animal. Who is this? Can you see it? Who is this? It's an octopus. Yes. अब हमने octopus के बारे में भी EVS में पढ़ा था. So what I taught you? What about this octopus? In EVS only, in our animals we have learned. So can you tell me what we have learned about this octopus? It's a very intelligent animal. Then what else we learned? It has 8 arms. इसके पास कितने hands होते हैं? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे ऐसे हिलते रहते हैं. I have only 2, but इसके पास तो 8 होते हैं. See, 8 hands. सोचो आपके पास 8 hands होंगे तो आप सारा वर्क एक हैंड से हिंदी का, एक से इंग्लिश का, एक से मैथ्स का, एक से EVS का. अरे हम तो एक साथ सारा काम कर पाएंगे, isn't it? अभी वन हैंड से लिख पाते हैं तो एक बार में इंग्लिश, देन इन हिंदी, हम ऐसे करते हैं. अब जस्ट थिंक इट वंस, गॉड ने अगर हमें भी इतने सारे हैंड्स दिए होते तो हम कितना जल्दी फास्ट फास्ट काम कर लेते, isn't it? So it's an animal which is having 8 hands and it's very intelligent also, I tell you. Okay, now again EVS. अब EVS का owl हो गया, EVS का octopus हो गया. What both of them are doing in your class? Then got it? Okay. Now I have one shape here. Can you tell me what shape is this? Yes, it's an oval shape. Circle नहीं है. Circle होता है जो बिल्कुल round होता है. अब ये क्या है? थोड़ा सा stretched है, थोड़ा सा खिंचा हुआ है. So we call it oval. You remember we did in EVS again. सब कुछ ही EVS में पढ़ा हुआ है. Okay. So one is oval. Now can you tell me the color of this cloth? So I have a duster cloth which we use while for dusting the room. कोई भी dust होता है, dirt होता है तो उसको clean करने के लिए I use it. So can you tell me the color of this cloth? What is the color of this cloth? It's orange in color. Wow, you can identify it. So it's orange color. Fine. अब देखो orange color. Then we have octopus. Then we have owl here. Now we have oval here. Can you connect all this? What all these things are doing in your English class? What do they have to do in English? Yes, can anyone tell me? If something is clicking to your mind, something similar in it? The beginning alphabet. Clap for you all. Clap for yourself. Very good. That means today we are going to learn about one alphabet which is having all these pictures related to it. So it's an owl, octopus, then oval. So I have written that here. What I have written? Oval. So can you tell me which is the first letter written here? Yes class, can you tell me which is the first letter written? Oh yes, very good. And orange. So now it's time to open all the pages and tell you what are we going to do today. So today is we are going to revise the letter O that we have done in uppercase or capital form. So can you tell me how we did it? Yes class, how we wrote this alphabet? Where's my chalk? Yeah. Lot of pictures, few I have already shown you, isn't it? Okay, so how we wrote capital O? Something similar to the oval shape. Yes, like this. Isn't it? I told you. This is how you have to write your uppercase or you can say capital letter O. Where it will touch red first blue and second blue line. identify, write the name and understand the sound of the letter now. Okay? So let's begin with the first thing. What is this? Which fruit is it? An orange. Yes, I have shown you an orange cloth. I just wanted to see कि आपको कितना याद आता है. Now, which fruit is this? Orange. Orange is a fruit. Orange is a color. So let me write the name of this fruit. Orange. Now, I have just shown you the picture of this animal. Who is it? Yes, class. Can tell me fast. It's an octopus. So let me write that here. So it's an octopus. Now, after this octopus, I have shown you the shape. Which shape is this? A circle shape, but वो proper circle नहीं होता. थोड़ा सा हम उसको stretch करते हैं. See, there's the difference. This is circle, but ये circle नहीं होता है. थोड़ा सा लंबा होता है. And the best example of this shape is an egg. ठीक है? The best example is an egg. मैम ने आपको कल nest दिखाई थी. In the previous class when we have learnt about N, nest देखा था. उसमें nest में we were having some eggs. So that egg is oval in shape. Clear? So what shape is this? It's oval. Now, yes, you know about this also. Who's it? It's an owl. Very good. So, can you tell me which vegetable is this? A vegetable which Mama is using generally in all the vegetables while we are cooking. So Mama mix this to bring in extra taste in it, to bring in a flavor in it. So which vegetable is this? Can you tell me? It's an onion. Very good. An onion. Now can you tell me what this can be? Something which we apply in our hair. So whenever we wash our hair with shampoo, it's not shampoo applying in the hair. I'm coming to it. To give a moist in our hair, to moist our hair, we apply this. It comes in varied flavors, you can say, like coconut. Then we have olive oil. I told you that. So it's an oil. What is it? Oil. तेल जिसको कहते हैं. So you might be using different type of oil to put in your hair. So it's a oil. Not only for hair, we have for cooking also. Isn't it? We have cooking oil also. So oil. What is oil? You can say the substance which is extracted from the different vegetables which we are using it for cooking. Clear? So what is it? Oil. Now, not only these, there are a lot of things. Can you tell me the name of one thing that we make from egg? So one is oval shape we have, which refers egg here. Clear? So what we make of egg? Can you tell me that? Which is very good for breakfast, fortified with lot of protein in it. Yes, what we make with it? Omelette. Have you ever eaten it? So it is made of egg, and Mama, whenever those who eat egg, whenever they make this, they add on some vegetables in it, salt and pepper in it, and then they cook it using oil again. Oil use करते हैं to cook omelette. Yes. So one word we have learned here is omelette. Now we have orange. Let's speak all these pictures once. We have orange, ostrich. Speak with me and listen it carefully. Ostrich, omelette, omelette. Then we have oval. Oval. Clear? Next we have owl. Owl. Then we have oil. Oil. We have onion. What we call it? Onion. which lays very big eggs. Yes, there's a bird egg lay करती है. You all know that. So there is a bird which lay the biggest egg. Who's that? Can you tell me? Ostrich. Yes, it's an ostrich. Ostrich. Again O. So now class, when we are talking about all these things which are beginning from letter O, what sound is coming to us? O, orange. O, omelette. O, octopus. So the sound of letter O is O. Understood? O, O, O. Orange in the plate says O, O, O. Orange in the plate says O, O, O. So you have learned O se Oakley Hindi mein. So today we are going to write this, and the sound is O. आपने ओखली पढ़ा होगा, मैम ने आपको पढ़ाया होगा हिंदी में ओखली. So that O is the sound of letter O. Clear everyone? Now moving towards the cursive writing format of alphabet O. Now this letter will begin from this lower blue line. Lowercase alphabet to be begin from the lower line only. Here. Understood? How we are going to write? Just see that. Begin from here, go up like this and like this. Understood? आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ से tail के साथ begin करना है. Then make a small O like this and again make a tail. Understood that? This is your cursive letter O. And this letter will come only between the two blue lines like this. Is that clear? See carefully. This letter will come only between the two blue lines. Don't cross these blue lines. Na upar na niche. Only between the two blue lines you will do the formation of cursive letter O. Is that clear? Once more. Like this. Understood? Great. Now moving towards your book work, your class work to be done on page number 41 and 43. So, book page number 41 and 43. So, this is your today's class work. Is that clear to all? And as usual, your homework will be practicing this cursive alphabet in the notebook with pictures. Not without pictures, with pictures. So you can take any picture here drawn on the board and can do the work. So now, let's see how we are going to do the work in notebook. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's homework in notebook. Understood? So what you have to do, open your English notebook, and when you will open your notebook, you have to open a fresh page and draw some pictures related to alphabet O, whichever you feel like to draw. Clear? After that, what you have to do? Just write down today's date. So can you tell me what is the date today? 1st December 2020. Understood that? And then mention homework here. Like this. So, O says O. O, octopus. O, orange. Clear? Now let's see how to write this alphabet in notebook. As I told you, I'll give you a closer look. So as I have told you, this alphabet to be begin writing from the lower blue line from here. Can you see the black dot here? And we will write this alphabet only between the two blue lines. Don't cross it, na upar na niche. Understood? So let's do that now. From here, like this. Again, just have a closer look to it. Like this. Now if we go slowly, from here you will begin. Go up, make a circle and like this. This is how you are going to write cursive alphabet O in your 4-line notebooks, or you can say in your English notebook. Understood? Like this. And like this only you are going to complete your whole page. I mean these 3 more lines. Is that clear to all? Understood everyone? So class, I suppose you have understood the correct formation of your cursive alphabet O with its sound. Great. Now one more homework which I would like to assign you is, please keep revising your phonic rhyme. Don't forget to do that phonic rhyme once every day. Clear? Bye for now.